Hello, this is a video on how to download and log into IStation. If you already have a school iPad, the IStation app is already on there, and all you have to do is just click on the app, put in your user ID, and then for your password, it would be your student ID number or your lunch number. So it's almost like logging into Rapid ID. The only difference is the password. It will just be your 6-letter lunch number. If you are using a computer, a Chromebook, a laptop, I'm going to show you how to download and log into IStation.
Hello, thank you for joining me today for downloading and accessing IStation. We are so glad that you are a part of Red Cape Nation, and we're all in this together. Now, in this tutorial, I will be walking you through downloading the app and logging into the app. First, to download, you'll want to go to istation.com, and then from there, you'll want to click on the blue button on the top right-hand side of your screen titled Download and Technical Info. Once you click that, you'll be able to view all of the options for downloading the app. IStation is compatible with iPads, Android devices, Chrome devices, PCs, and Macs. And then to complete the download, all you'll need to do is click the button to the right of the option that's appropriate for you. Once you've done that, a pop-up with a couple steps will appear, and that's it. Usually the download only takes about 20 seconds to complete. Once you have the app downloaded, you will then see the iStation icon on your screen. So this is what it'll look like. To log in, all you'll need to do is click the app. And then from there, the very first time you log in, it will prompt you to enter a domain.
For the domain for Williams Elementary, you would type in Williams ES with no space. That's WILLIAMS ES, Williams ES.
Now, a domain allows you to identify the campus where your student goes to school. The format of the domain is generally the name of the campus, the name of the district, the name of the state. Once you've entered the domain the very first time that you're accessing the app, you won't have to do it again. And then your child can simply log in with their username and password. If they don't know their username and password, or you don't have that, you can always get that from their teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and log in.
Again, for the login, your username will be your Rapid ID login. So it would be the first 5 letters of your last name with your student ID number all together with no spaces. And then your password will be just your student ID number.
Please select an activity or log out of iStation.
And then after logging in, you'll see several icons that your child can work in. Now, all of this is dependent on the subscription that your campus has, but reading with ISIP, math with ISIP, and Lectoricon ISIP all allow students to access their learning path in those subjects. So
for Arlington ISD, we mainly use reading with ISIP and then the assignments down here. Usually when you're taking your iStation test or just doing iStation practice, you will just go to reading with ISIP. And normally you'll know that you are taking the test because there will be a small blue box at the bottom corner of the screen that says ISIP on it, and that means that the test is going on. So when the test is over, the blue box goes away. Sometimes your teacher may assign some lessons down here for you. So usually you'll see a little red circle. That means there's some assignments waiting for you to do. We mostly focus on these two. We do not do the math ISIP or any of the other ones at this time. So this will be the first thing that you will go to. Unless there's assignments here, you could go to this as well.
Reading, Spanish, and math. Students can also practice writing in writing rules, in read books, in books, or Libros. iPractice allows for self-selected activities in IStation, while the assignments icon allows students to access activities by the teacher. So whenever a teacher assigns something at the school, this is where your student will go to see what has been assigned.
Please enter your username.
Finally, if you need assistance with any of these steps or have any questions about iStation at home, please reach out to us by email at support@istation.com or by calling us at 866-883-7323, option 2. Thank you for listening, and we wish you the best.